Ever wondered what truly separates a robust financial platform from a fleeting trend? It often comes down to one critical factor: regulation. In the fast-evolving world of digital assets and diverse financial services, understanding if a platform like Uphold is regulated in the U.S. isn't just a matter of curiosity. It's fundamental to your security and peace of mind. So, is Uphold regulated in the U.S.? Let's dive in. First, let's set the stage. The United States has a complex regulatory landscape, especially when it comes to financial services and, more recently, cryptocurrency. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach. Instead, various bodies at both federal and state levels play a role in overseeing operations, aiming to protect consumers, prevent illicit activities like money laundering, and ensure market integrity. Think of it like a multi-layered security system. So, where does Uphold fit into this intricate picture? The straightforward answer is yes, Uphold is regulated in the U.S. It operates as a legitimate and compliant financial platform within the country, adhering to key U.S. laws and regulations. One of the primary federal regulators Uphold interacts with is the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FinCEN. Uphold is registered with FinCEN as a money services business, MSB. This registration is crucial because it means Uphold must comply with federal anti-money laundering (AML) controls and report certain suspicious activities. This is a big deal, as it helps combat financial crime and ensures a baseline level of transparency. It's like a national security check for financial transactions. Beyond federal oversight, there's also the matter of state-level regulation. Money transmission, which includes the movement of funds both in fiat currencies and, increasingly, cryptocurrencies, is largely regulated at the state level. This means platforms like Uphold often need to secure money transmitter licenses, MTLs, in each state where they operate. While the exact requirements vary from state to state, they typically involve stringent background checks, financial audits, and compliance with Know Your Customer, KYC, and AML procedures. KYC, for instance, is why Uphold requires users to verify their identity. It's a direct result of these regulatory obligations. It's worth noting that while Uphold is broadly available and regulated across most U.S. states, there can be specific state-level nuances. For example, some sources indicate that Uphold has faced specific regulatory considerations in states like New York, which has its own stringent bit license for virtual currency businesses. So, while generally regulated, it's always a good practice for users to double-check Uphold's specific availability and licensing in their particular state of residence. Uphold's commitment to compliance extends beyond just basic registration. They emphasize transparency by regularly publishing reserve audits, allowing users to verify their holdings. This proactive approach to accountability helps build trust in a space where trust is paramount. They also implement robust security measures, including strong encryption and 24/7 monitoring, to protect user assets and data. These aren't just good practices, they're often integral to meeting regulatory expectations. In essence, Uphold operates under a framework of rules designed to ensure legitimate operations, protect user funds, and deter illicit financial activities. Their FinCEN registration and their efforts to comply with state money transmitter licensing requirements demonstrate a clear commitment to operating within the legal boundaries of the U.S. financial system. This layered approach to regulation is what provides a degree of security and confidence for users engaging with their platform. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.